Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today's video I'm going to unbox an item that I received a few days ago from United Kingdom, and this is coming from the Iron Heart. I ordered this item in the evening of April 18. It reached its destination here in Los Angeles after 3 days, and I got it last April 21st, 2023. The story of this package or item is that this is a purchase that I made as a gift for myself, or a reward for that matter, for placing among the 30 participants as top 51st place in the Year 3 Indigo Invitational Denim Fade competition. So basically I'm finished among the top 80 finishers of this Indigo Invitational. And when we started on April 1, 2022, we had 1,061 participants who registered to this event, and only 460 plus who finished this competition and were able to cross the finish line, which is 365 days using only a single salvage denim jeans. So I was happy for the results of all those patience, determination, dedication to use a single salvage denim for the whole year, and I choose the Iron Heart extra heavy salvage denim in the 634 cut, which is 25 ounces, their heaviest salvage denim in their products or in their category or in their inventory. So I was happy of the results, and I immediately gifted myself with some Iron Heart items, and we're going to unbox this, of course, green package that I received coming from London. So we're going to unbox this. And of course, the usual brown bag with the logo of Iron Heart, and after almost 6 months of not purchasing Iron Hearts, it's only now that I was able to purchase after almost 6 months, and wow. And this is the item. First, this is, I consider this as my prize. Okay, it's a book. This is very popular, newly published last year, and I wanted to have this book, but in the first trans of the inventory of Iron Heart, I was not able to get it, and I'm happy that it's now available in their website. So we're going to open this. And this is the book. It's very thick. However, we'll have a separate video for the review of this book, and we'll just leave it like that because I would like to have a separate review on this book, and we will go through each chapter and pages of this very nice book about heritage wear. Okay. The second item is a jacket, which I considered as my first Iron Heart jacket. This is the 10 ounces Whipcord fabric, and I fell in love with this fabric when I tried a Whipcord Western shirt when I visited one of the stockish stores here in LA, and I fell in love immediately with the texture of the Whipcord fabric. So this is my first jacket. This is a type 3 jacket, and the size is small. When I went to the store and tried the small, I found out that it is too small for my body, even though most of the shirts that I bought from Ironheart were size small, but this particular jacket, most especially the type 3, modified that type 3, my size is medium. So this is very nice. Actually, the price of this is $365, but I was able to apply my discount code, which was given to me by Ironheart. Thank you very much for those promotion code that you gave me. It is my first time to use my promotion code, which is worth $150. So I used my first $50 for this item to, of course, to include this. Of course, to include this book, and you have a very nice jacket, and we will proceed later with the fit video. Nice. And also we'll have a separate product review of this item, which is very significant because this is my first jacket from Ironheart.